Alright guys, welcome back. We are on the way to New York. We are going to Kiefer's Pond tonight. We're going to do a little tournament. And the rules are, we're going to have 6 baits in a hat. We're going to draw the baits. Each team gets 3 baits. And we're going to see what we catch. Every fish counts over 12 inches. Most fish wins. Teams are me and Evan, Nate, Kiefer. So stay tuned.
Oh, first pick.
Don't be looking up.
Oh, I'm looking.
What have we got first pick?
Jake.
Damn it.
I'll take
Let's
that.
go.
It's you, Kiefer.
Let's see what we got.
Yeah, I don't know what that is either.
Oh, we got the spook.
In
In case you were wondering why I didn't know what I was reading, look at that, guys. What does that say?
You're up again. Alright. What else we get?
Swim bait.
Oh, yes.
Jake and swim bait. Oh, they
Dude,
better be moving baits.
We're getting toasted.
Popper, hopefully.
Popper.
Senko.
Seiko.
Okay, I'll take. What's left?
Jerkbait and popper.
Oh, I got with popper.
I kind of did too. Because if it's jerk bait, we're kind of.
Jerk bait.
Let's go!
Okay.
Popper it is.
I know what I'm throwing the whole time.
Seiko.
Popper.
Well, no, we got this is our challenge.
Oh,
Like me and Evan can only throw swim baits, jigs, and jerk baits, and they can throw Senko's Senko's, poppers, and swim baits.
Hey, wait.
25. That's a big ass carp. Holy cow! Ain't no fish here.
Ready?
Me and Evan, Kiefer, and Nate.
You got the thing?
No, we're just guessing. I'll give it to you. That was close enough. Did you give it to him? Yeah. Nothing smaller than that, though.
All right, there's the first one of the challenge. Me and Nate are up 1 zip. Yeah, that was probably right at 12. Seiko, popper, and spook. I mean, it is about the same. Yeah,
Same.
it's the same size.
What?
Look guys, I don't even have him hooked with the actual hook, okay? The hook is out there freely. I'm hooked, he's hooked with the weed guard on him. Isn't that crazy? I've never done that.
Those in there pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Call him with the weed guard.
Both on the board. I caught that fish with the weed.
Game over. I'm sending it. Over here in the mud. I always catch them over here. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Ev! That's 2 for me.
That's probably carp, maybe. Sean, how muddy is it there? A little bit.
He's gonna catch one right there. Do you guys have a topwater?
Me?
What?
No, they don't have a top one.
What's he throwing then? No, he just had one.
Chatterbait. I think it's chatterbait.
Oh, that's a 12-incher.
I am not giving you 12 inches. That 12 incher?
If he grabs it. Did he say no?
He said yeah.
Sean, is that 12 incher?
Yeah, same size
No, this one is not.
Where do you catch it on? On what? On what? Oh. Go straight out.
Get over there, Nate. You want? I don't have boots on, so.
Let me talk to the camera for a second.
I
Wait.
promise you guys, one of those two idiots is getting wet tonight.
What? You know how it usually is over here? Just don't like the bait. Sean, why don't you go leave over here and come over here and try?
I keep getting bites. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I could have got them too. I promise you I'd have got both of them.
I gotta be careful while I'm walking over here.
Yeah, it's not the easiest.
Where did you walk over at?
There's one. Get in here. There's another one, Ev. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm expecting that you go to set the hook and like 3 times about to pull it down and stall it. What did you say? The time we quit or it don't matter.
No, we have to pick a time.
9?
8:30. Probably dark by 8:30.
No, it won't.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, keeper's got
That's
big.
a good
Oh,
one.
Keeper's got big.
That's gotta be a carp.
If that's a bass, it is giant.
That's the pond record if it's a bass.
Oh my god.
Monk, there's 3.
Oh my god. I'll grab it for you. I won't
No,
stop
don't let
touch.
him grab it.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's a big one.
That's his PB.
No, I don't know. It's at least 4 though. I'm on his team.
Oh my
that might be a
god.
6. Do you have a scale?
No, go grab
Where
one.
is it?
I don't know.
Where do you have a scale at? In the boat, you ain't getting it.
Keeper has one in his bag, probably.
Dad. Go ask Dad. He's got one, I think.
It's like 4.
It's not that big.
I mean, it's big. I was just talking about it. I can't believe no one's got a big one yet.
Oh, it's bigger than 4. Oh, that's a 5.
That's 4. That's high 4s.
That's definitely bigger than the one I caught the other day. Dude, that's definitely a 5.
That's a 5-pounder.
There's no way we
Go
don't
get
have
the
a
scale.
scale. Go yell at my dad.
Let me get a picture.
Yeah,
Before we
look
get
at
the
that,
tickets.
guys. That is a stud.
The 0?
Yes. Hold.
0?
Yep.
I did.
It was not 0.
22 pounds.
Hold on, let me see it,
22 pounder, Dad.
Let go of it. Let go of it.
Record, man.
Like, oh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's reading right.
Oh, that's my PB.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's
537.
I can't. That's such bullshit.
Here, somebody get a
537.
side release of this too, Evan.
Okay, turn.
Huh?
Get a side release of this.
Okay.
but
Look at that, guys. 5.37 pounds. Absolute stud. You filming?
Yep.
New PB right there. We'll get a good release. Might take her a second. There she goes.
Thank you for this fish.
Dude, that was such a nice release too. It just slowly swam out of my hand.
Did I get in there, grab a, what was it, 5?
Oh yeah, it was clean. 537.
Hey, make sure that scale gets put back. Put that in your pocket or something.
I thought it was. Well, I was mostly comparing it to the 4 that I caught the other day, and I knew it was bigger than that.
I thought it was gonna spit it when I was way out.
There's one. Feels like a nicer one. Nope. I got one. Swim bait. Why? Ev, hurry up and run and get one of these. That's...
We don't have enough time. We only have like 5 minutes.
You have 10 minutes, 11 minutes. 4 now. Hurry up, run.
I don't know what it is.
Look, get your phone out, hurry up.
Is this a post-game interview?
Yeah.
If you want to hear a post-game interview, guys, I just let the team down. I'm not going to lie to you. I probably had 4 bites the whole time. I only landed 2. Sean, how many did you get?
11.
If I just would have caught half the fish, we would have won. I'm getting blinded right now, but not a good showing by Evan. We'll get him next time. I shot like 0 for 9.
Gotta get Sean now.
All right, guys. I mean, what was it? 14 to 13?
I believe so.
Yeah, so 14 to 13. I caught 11 fish, like 5 of them in the last 10 minutes. Switched up the bait a little bit at the end, caught some, but if I'd have had some help from my partner,
Hey, no trash talking.
I'm just saying, if I'd had some help from my partner, 2 fish to 11, he'd caught half of mine and we'd have still won. So, I don't know, guys.
4-time champion here on Real Wild Outdoors. These guys are too easy.
No, but we did a good job. We got teamwork, 7 fish each. Had that big, caught my PB. So that was pretty cool, big fish. So, well, we should actually make this a series. You want to name it something?
Cayuga Trip 2024.
Big
I don't know,
bass.
guys. Stay tuned.
Big bass bastard.
We're going to catch a bigger one tomorrow, guys.